Welcome to the J&J Auto-Wrecking test video of SJCE370. This is a 2018 Chevrolet Colorado in Cajun Red tint coat. She has 63,000 miles on a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 4-wheel drive. Really nice truck, local to us, great deal, so we picked her up. Very, very clean. State Farm truck, which means it was loved. This Cajun Pearl tint coat's a really nice color. Paint's in very good shape. Nice headlights on it. It's a higher trim one too, not a work truck. Unfortunately, took a pop right in that front end. Passenger doors are good. Seats are very nice. Like I said, not a work truck trim. It's got the big radio in it. We'll see if it has nav here in just a second. A lot of good parts on this girl. Heck, I think this door actually made it. That's hilarious. Oh, that'd be too funny. Alright, let's check out some stuff inside here. Plate control, this mess. We know. 63,560 miles. Do we have nav? We do. Navigation. Alright. Motor runs... Oh, that's just compass. OnStar nav. My Chevrolet. Alright, so AM, FM, CD, whatever. Automatic climate control. Runs good. Got some parts. Windows both work. Door mirror on the right side. Working as well. Alright guys, well that is going to conclude the J&J Auto-Wrecking test video of our 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. I can't put her in gear because she's got some brake issues with the left front there, so she is stuck in neutral for right now, but we'll just confirm it works. Anyways, if you guys are looking for any of the parts, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto-Wrecking. Thanks for watching.